Hey there, we are heading towards job. That is fucking hit the motion. I'm getting late for five, like by 5 to 10 minutes. Sucks. So now I will talk with you after I come home because the whole morning wake up system is disturbed like anything. We need to remake the system again. Oh yeah, today is day two of yeah, that fucking excites me. Today is a day two of converting, of growing $100 to $8,000. And yesterday was a trade, and we were looking to take the trade, but I haven't because we were waiting for a break and then retest. And we got yesterday break, and now we are now in the morning. I saw it is having the retracement, but 30 minutes got bullish. I'm waiting for 30 minutes to get bearish. So everything will make sense once oh fuck. Holy shit. I'm so afraid of this cow because when I was small, they literally ran on me. So I was like, what? No. I'm afraid of this. So there is a fear of them. But they are God for us. And I pray for them as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So we wait for the break and retest. Now we are having a retracement. Now we're waiting for the rejection the way we wanted to. So if we get, we get. We don't. That's it. Signing off. Let's go for the motherfucking bullshit motherfucking job that you fucking hate the most. Let's go. Guys, I came home. I got ready for the plan. I didn't got ready like a fresh. I just got ready by seeing the trip. But what have happened today? Bullshit the fucking job. The plant head. I mean, he's every single thing. He's the plant. He's the plant head and whatnot, every single thing. So he was saying, man, you haven't finished the project and how come you can go? And I'm like, I don't know, sir. My time is over. I have to go. This is how it looks like, you know. I can't wait more than this. And I have lecture coming up. I can't be over here. And he's like, okay. He was not saying okay. He didn't even say okay. He was like, no, you have to finish this project, then only you can go. And I'm like, I just can't. Sorry. This bullshit motherfucking people. I'm giving my 8 hours and 30 minutes and they are not utilizing it. And remaining 30 minutes they are fucking giving the work and they want to happen it. And I'm like, you're paying me $200 per hour and you want me to stay overtime? Oh, I'm making more than you, and I want to work on my trading goals. So look at this. We literally avoided the beautiful loss right here. You know, we were waiting for the retracement. Do you remember? We have the break. We were waiting for the retracement and the engulfing candle. We have the retracement but didn't have any engulfing candle, and we haven't took the trade, and we have brilliantly avoided the loss like anything. So I didn't took this trade, so I'm still waiting for the break and then retest to get happen to take the trade to the downside. This is first currency Euro JPY, beautifully avoided the loss. Next is Euro CAD. We were waiting for the break and then retest to take the trade to the downside. It never took the trade, and there is a issue, brother. There is fucking issue. Probably guess that my today's day is gonna get consume again because all of that fucking at home, they're fucking sleeping right now, and their moms and my sisters have gone out for shopping, and I'm like, are you fucking crazy? Am I don't know. Signing off, brother. Let's fucking focus over here and also reschedule every single thing, my daily routine as well. If I get time, I will share. If I don't. Simple as that. Let's do the trading. Oh yeah, I forgot to record. So trading agenda is for today is the last lecture of $100 to $1 million challenge. This is the last lecture, and after that lecture, then we're going for the $1,000 to $100,000 challenge lecture. So right now, today is the last lecture. Let's start. तू मम्मी शॉपिंगला गेली. तुझी मम्मी, माझी मम्मी, कोमल दीदी, कोमल मावशी, तर बाजार कापड युवान पण झोपलेले. हां, युवान नाही का, ते पण हॉलमध्ये झोपलेले. कोण खेळतंय इथं? कोण खेळतंय? मी. काय खेळता? होली शिट, my time. काय? हात पकडू? चला. इथलची लाईट बंद आहे का? बंद आहे. थांब मी लाईट लावतो. थांब मी लाईट लावतो. म्याव. कसं पळत आहे. पच 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 पच. सुसू का इथे ये इथे. टाऊन अरे इकडे इकडे भांडणं आले. इकडे भांडणं आले. हो आयो 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 आयो. भाग 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 भाग. हळूहळू ह्यांना लागल ह्यांना लागल ह्यांना लागल. पळा 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 पळा. ओरडू नको ओरडू नको. ओरडायचं नाही. लागेल ह्याला लागेल. पकडला. आयो अयो अयो चावलं चावलं. हा मी तर लागेल. चावलं 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 चावलं. चावू नका रे. बस बस बस. टॅम्पलेट टॅम्पलेट.